Yo, what's up everybody, Don Allen here, and let's talk about travel. That feeling you get when you book a trip, pure stoke, right? But then comes the packing, and nobody's trying to turn that excitement into a stress-induced meltdown. Whether you're all about that beach life, craving a city adventure, or chasing those off-the-grid experiences, packing smart can make or break your trip. So buckle up, because in this video, I'm dropping the ultimate packing list that'll have you prepped for anything. Let's do this. Alright, before we even touch a suitcase, we gotta talk planning. Planning is the foundation of any great trip. It's not just about where you're going, but how you're getting there, what you'll do, and how to make sure everything goes smoothly. A little effort up front can save you a ton of stress later. Remember that time I flew to Japan and realized my visa was expired? Yeah, not a vibe. That one mistake turned what should have been an exciting adventure into a logistical nightmare. Trust me, you don't want to be that person stuck at the airport, frantically trying to fix something that could have been avoided. First things first, download a trip planner app. These apps are lifesavers. They help you keep track of everything from your flights to your hotel bookings and even your daily itinerary. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Trust me, it's a game changer. You'll feel so much more organized and in control. Plus, it's super satisfying to see all your plans laid out neatly in one place. No more flipping through papers or scrolling endlessly through emails. You can keep all your flights, hotel reservations, and itineraries organized in one place. Some apps even send you reminders for check-ins or gate changes. It's like having a travel buddy who's always on top of things. Plus, no more digging through your emails for that confirmation code, it's all right there. Next up, research people. Research is your best friend when it comes to travel. It's not just about knowing where you're going, but understanding the place, its culture, and what to expect. You gotta know the deal with your destination. What's the weather like? What's the cultural vibe? Is it a bustling city or a quiet countryside? Knowing these details can help you plan your activities and pack accordingly. Are there any customs you need to be aware of? For example, in some countries, tipping is expected, while in others it's considered rude. Little things like this can make a big difference in how you're perceived as a traveler. Knowing this stuff beforehand will not only help you pack the right gear but also avoid any awkward situations. Imagine showing up to a formal dinner in flip-flops because you didn't know the dress code. Not ideal, right? Nobody wants to be that tourist. The one who stands out for all the wrong reasons. A little preparation goes a long way in helping you blend in and enjoy your trip to the fullest. And speaking of avoiding bad situations, let's talk travel documents. These are your golden tickets to adventure. Without them, you're not going anywhere. Passport, visa, driver's license, make sure they're all up to date, and pro tip, make copies. Keep both physical and digital copies. You never know when you might need them. Keep one set in your carry-on and another stashed in your main luggage, just in case. It's a small step that can save you a lot of trouble if something goes missing. Oh, and one more thing. Travel insurance. I know, it sounds like an unnecessary expense, but trust me, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Think of it as a safety net for your trip. From medical emergencies to lost luggage, travel insurance gives you that peace of mind knowing you're covered if things go sideways. It's not just about the big disasters. Even small hiccups can be easier to handle when you're insured. So before you pack your bags, take the time to plan, research, and prepare. It might feel like a lot of work up front, but trust me, it's worth it. A well-prepared traveler is a happy traveler. Okay, now let's talk packing essentials. Packing can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to focus on what you truly need and leave the rest behind. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later when you're not lugging around a heavy suitcase. The goal here is to pack light, people. Think of it as a challenge to simplify your life for the duration of your trip. Less stuff means less stress, and more freedom to enjoy your adventure. Remember, you're going on an adventure, not moving in. First up, clothing. This is where most people overpack, but you don't need a new outfit for every day. Instead, focus on versatility. Versatility is key. Think neutral colors and pieces that you can mix and match to create multiple outfits. A capsule wardrobe is your best friend here. It's all about maximizing options while minimizing space. A couple of pairs of jeans, some basic tees, a light jacket, and a nicer outfit for going out should do it. And don't forget comfortable shoes. One pair for walking and one for something a bit dressier. Next, toiletries. Don't be that person who brings their entire bathroom cabinet. You're not going to need 10 different skincare products or a full-sized hairdryer. Travel-sized toiletries are your best friend. They save space and comply with airline regulations, so you won't have to worry about security checks. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothpaste, You can find them all in those TSA-approved sizes, and if you run out, you can always pick up more at your destination. And don't forget sunscreen. Nobody wants to look like a lobster on vacation. Plus, protecting your skin is always a good idea, no matter where you're headed. Speaking of essentials, a first aid kit is a must-have. It doesn't have to be elaborate, just the basics to handle minor issues. Band-aids, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes, you know the drill. These small items can make a big difference when you're far from home. It's always better to be prepared for those minor mishaps. A little preparation can save you a lot of hassle later. And finally, a small day bag. This is your go-to for daily outings, and it's a lifesaver for keeping your essentials within reach. This is crucial for carrying your essentials when you're out and about. Whether you're exploring a city or hiking a trail, a good day bag keeps you organized. A backpack, a tote bag, whatever suits your style. Just make sure it's comfortable to carry and fits your needs. Just make sure it's big enough to hold your phone, wallet, water bottle, and maybe a light jacket. Packing light doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or convenience. It's about being smart and intentional with what you bring. Now, let's get specific. Packing for a trip isn't just about throwing things into a suitcase. It's about planning ahead and tailoring your gear to match your destination and activities. The right preparation can make or break your travel experience. Packing for a beach trip is totally different from packing for a city break or an adventure vacation. Each type of trip has its own unique needs, and understanding those can save you from overpacking or forgetting something crucial. So let's break it down. Start by thinking about the activities you'll be doing and the weather at your destination. This will help you prioritize what to bring and avoid unnecessary items. For all you beach bums out there, swimwear is a no-brainer. But don't stop there, pack at least 2 pairs so you can switch it up. This way you'll always have a dry set ready to go, even if one is still drying from your last swim. And don't forget sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat to protect yourself from those rays. Sunburn can ruin a trip faster than you think, so make sun protection a priority. A good book and a portable speaker are also essential for those lazy days on the sand. Whether you're diving into a novel or enjoying your favorite playlist, these small items can make your beach time even more enjoyable. City slickers, comfortable walking shoes are a must, but that's just the beginning. You'll be doing a lot of exploring, so make sure your feet are happy. Blisters and sore feet can quickly turn a fun day into a painful one. A stylish outfit for going out is also a good idea. Cities often have vibrant nightlife or upscale restaurants, so having something a bit dressier can come in handy. Think a nice dress or a button-down shirt and jeans. These versatile pieces can work for both casual outings and more formal settings. And don't forget a small bag or backpack for carrying your essentials during the day. A lightweight, stylish day bag can hold your water bottle, map, and other necessities while keeping your hands free. Adventure seekers, get ready to gear up. Your packing list will look a bit different. Hiking boots, waterproof gear, and quick-drying clothing are your best friends. These items are designed to handle rugged terrain and unpredictable weather, keeping you comfortable and safe. Depending on your destination, you might also need a headlamp, a compass, and a first aid kit. These tools can be lifesavers in remote areas or during unexpected situations. And don't forget your sense of adventure. The right gear can enhance your experience, but it's your attitude and willingness to explore that truly make the journey unforgettable. In this digital age, we can't forget about our tech. First and foremost, chargers. Phone charger, laptop charger, camera charger, pack them all. And don't forget a portable power bank for when you're on the go. There's nothing worse than your phone dying in the middle of nowhere. Adapters are also crucial, especially if you're traveling internationally. Make sure you have the right adapter for the country you're visiting so you can actually use all your electronics. And let's not forget about entertainment. Download some movies, TV shows, or podcasts to your phone or tablet for those long flights or train rides. A good book is also a great way to pass the time. And if you're anything like me, a pair of noise-canceling headphones is a must-have for blocking out the world and getting lost in your own little world. Alright, let's wrap things up with some packing hacks and tips. First up, rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Trust me, this saves so much space in your suitcase. Plus, it helps prevent wrinkles. Packing cubes are another game changer. They're like little drawers for your suitcase and help you keep everything organized. You can pack your shirts in one cube, your pants in another, and your underwear and socks in another. No more digging through your suitcase for that one sock. And finally, the golden rule of packing: less is more. Only pack what you absolutely need and leave the rest at home. Choose versatile items that you can wear multiple times and for different occasions. And don't be afraid to do laundry on the go. Most hotels and hostels offer laundry services, or you can always find a local laundromat. And there you have it, the ultimate packing list for any trip. With these tips and tricks, you'll be ready for any adventure that comes your way. Remember, packing smart is all about being prepared without overpacking. Choose versatile clothing, pack your essentials, and don't forget those travel documents. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.